Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BCB Lady. Since Ramadan is on its way, I am going to show you pre-preparation of two iftar snacks. So here we go. Before that, please do subscribe, like, share and support my channel. The first recipe is chicken nuggets. For that, I have taken half kg boneless chicken, half teaspoon chicken masala, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric and red chili powder each, half teaspoon pepper powder, salt as required, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. For the coating, 2 eggs and 1 cup of breadcrumbs. In the jar I am adding the boneless chicken, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, few peppercorns or you can use half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon chicken masala, half teaspoon garam masala and rock salt as required. And I'm grinding this without adding a drop of water, and then adding turmeric powder and red chili powder and again grinding well. I'm transferring this into a bowl. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil, sunflower oil, just for the binding. Mix well and it's ready to shape. You can make any shape of your wish. I am making into a square shape, but the shape is up to you. Likewise, you can shape everything and keep it ready. Now it's time to coat the nuggets. I have beaten 2 eggs, added salt and pepper into it. Dip the nuggets in the egg and coat it in breadcrumbs. Similarly, do it for all the nuggets and keep it aside. Now it's time to store and freeze. I've taken plastic cover and shaped it in the shape of the container which I'm going to store the nuggets. Arrange it carefully by leaving some space between the nuggets. Since I'm going to freeze and use it later, I'm using this method. You can also use Ziploc bags instead of containers. For my measurement, I have got 18 nuggets. It's ready and it's directly going into the freezer, and I will use it for iftar. Definitely do try, friends. Our next recipe is chicken cutlet. For that I have taken quarter kg chicken. I have boiled and shredded into pieces. I have boiled the chicken by adding some salt, turmeric powder and ginger garlic paste. Then I have taken 3 boiled potatoes. I have boiled and mashed it and kept aside. Next is 1 cup of capsicum, any colored capsicum, 2 onions chopped, salt as required, half teaspoon turmeric and red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chicken masala, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped, few curry leaves chopped, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add chopped curry leaves, chopped green chili and 2 onions chopped. Add salt as required and saute well. The onions need not be golden brown. Now you can add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute well till the raw smell goes. Add 1 cup of capsicum and all the spices, powders, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, chicken masala and saute well again. After that I'm adding boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix well. I'm again pulsing the shredded chicken, this is optional, and adding this into the potato mixture. Finally, I'm adding half teaspoon pepper powder and few coriander leaves chopped. Now you can switch off the flame. The cutlet masala is ready. Now for this again, you can shape it by any shape of your choice. Here I have taken round shape. Similar way, I am shaping up everything and keeping it aside. For this quantity, I have got 35 cutlets. Now it's time to coat. Dip the cutlet in the egg mixture and coat it with breadcrumbs. Do the same for the remaining masala. Here I've taken again 2 eggs beaten with salt, turmeric powder and some pepper powder. All the cutlets are ready and now it's time to freeze. Same as chicken nuggets, here I've taken a container and a plastic wrap and I'm arranging the cutlets by leaving some space. Again on top of it, again I'm keeping a plastic wrap and arranging the same way. You can also use Ziploc bags. Since it's homemade, you can freeze this up to 10 days. So yeah, 35 cutlets are ready to freeze now. Do comment your feedback and please do subscribe, share, like and support my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.